You've seen people do it on YouTube. You've seen soldiers, athletes, and fitness influencers crank out 100 push-ups in one set. And maybe you've tried it too. You hit 20, maybe 30, then your arms give up, your chest burns, and your core collapses. Here's the truth. It's not your strength that's missing. It's your strategy. Because doing 100 push-ups in one set isn't just about muscle. It's about endurance, technique, and mental control. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build your body, your breathing, and your mindset to crush all 100 in a single go. Let's begin. Most people think push-ups are simple. Just go down and up, right? But if that's all it took, everyone would be doing 100 already. Here's the value you're getting today. You'll learn a 4-phase training plan to hit 100 push-ups safely and fast. You'll understand the science behind endurance growth, and you'll avoid the mistakes that stop 90% of people at rep 30. So if you've ever wanted to master your body weight, to feel strong, unstoppable, and disciplined, this is where it starts. Phase 1, Foundation, Week 1 to 2. Before chasing 100 reps, you need a solid base. Here's your foundation checklist. 1. Form first. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your core tight, spine neutral, and eyes slightly forward. Every rep must be clean, chest to floor, full lockout at the top. 2. Test your max. On day 1, do as many clean push-ups as possible. Let's say your number is 25. That's your starting point. 3. Training plan foundation weeks. 5 sets total. Each set is 50% of your max. So if your max is 25, then 12 push-ups per set. Rest 60 seconds between sets. Train 3 times per week. The goal isn't exhaustion, it's volume and quality. You're teaching your body endurance through consistent repetition. Do this for 2 weeks and you'll already start to feel your reps climbing. Now we start building endurance. Here's where your mindset and breathing matter. Training plan, 5 sets total. Each set is 60 to 70% of your current max. Rest time drops to 45 seconds. Add 2 burnout sets at the end, as many push-ups as possible with perfect form. Breathing technique, inhale on the way down, exhale explosively on the way up. This rhythm feeds oxygen to your muscles and delays fatigue. Don't chase speed. The slower your control, the more muscle fibers you activate. This is how you build real endurance, not through rushing, but through resistance. By the end of week 4, your push-up count should increase by 40 to 50%. If you started with 25, you should now be comfortably doing 50 in one go. Halfway there. Now it's time to break your limits. Training plan, 4 days per week. Day 1, standard push-ups, max sets. Day 2, explosive push-ups, clap or fast push-ups. Day 3, diamond push-ups for triceps and control. Day 4, endurance test. Set structure. Each day aim for 5 sets total. Push till 70 to 80% of your limit. This phase is where your mind will want to quit. But remember, your body follows your belief. When your arms shake, when your chest burns, that's progress happening in real time. Stay consistent and your strength will skyrocket. Tip: add negative push-ups. Go down slowly, 5 seconds, explode up. This increases time under tension and builds raw power. This is it, the final push. Goal: hit 100 push-ups in one single set. Here's your exact week 7 to 8 plan. Day 1, 4 sets of 50% max, rest 30 seconds. Day 2, 3 sets of 70% max, rest 45 seconds. Day 3, 2 full burnout sets, go till failure. Day 4, recovery or light cardio. Day 5, test day, go for 100. Before test day, sleep well, hydrate, and warm up properly. Start slow, maintain rhythm. Break it into mental chunks, sets of 10 reps in your mind. Each small milestone keeps your focus alive. At rep 80, your body will scream to stop, but that's where you separate yourself from the average. Your muscles will survive. It's your mind you have to train. When you finally reach 100, it won't just be a number. It'll be a reflection of every rep, every drop of sweat, and every day you didn't quit. Congratulations, you've earned it. Most people never reach 100 because of these simple but deadly mistakes. Let's fix them before they ruin your journey. Mistake number 1, speed over control. Fast reps might look cool, but they waste energy. Going too fast means you lose muscle engagement and oxygen balance. Focus on controlled reps, 2 seconds down, 1 second up. Your goal is endurance, not ego. Mistake number 2, inconsistent practice. Doing push-ups randomly won't build progress. Your body needs a pattern. Consistent repetition builds adaptation. Solution: set fixed days. Stick to them religiously. Even 10 minutes of disciplined effort beats 1 hour of randomness. Mistake number 3, neglecting recovery. Push-ups train your chest, triceps, shoulders, and core. They need recovery. If you push daily without rest, you'll plateau fast. Fix: take at least 1 to 2 rest days per week. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Stay hydrated. Dehydration kills muscle endurance. Mistake number 4, ignoring form. Half reps don't count. If your chest doesn't touch near the floor and your arms don't fully extend, you're cheating yourself. Fix: film yourself once a week. Watch your form, correct posture early before it becomes habit. Mistake number 5, weak core. Push-ups aren't just chest, they're a full body movement. If your core sags, your energy leaks. Fix: add planks and hollow holds into your routine. A strong core equals more stable push-ups equals higher endurance. So why does this method work? Because your body adapts through something called progressive overload. Gradual increase in volume, intensity, and time under tension. Each phase adds a new stress pattern. Phase 1 builds muscle foundation. Phase 2 teaches your body endurance. Phase 3 creates explosive strength. Phase 4 unites it all through mental focus and recovery. This system forces your muscles, lungs, and heart to coordinate, turning your body into an endurance machine. You might not hit 100 on your first attempt. You might fail at 70, maybe 85. But remember, failure is feedback. Every time you drop, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. Doing 100 push-ups isn't about proving your strength to others. It's about proving your discipline to yourself. Most people stop when it hurts. Champions keep going when it hurts the most. And one day you'll drop down for that first rep, and 100 reps later, you'll rise, knowing you built it, one push-up at a time. If you're ready to transform your body and your mindset, start today. Don't wait for motivation. Create it. Because strength isn't built in the gym. It's built in the moments when no one's watching. So start your journey, one push-up at a time. And soon, 100 will just be your warm-up. Subscribe for more science-backed fitness challenges. Train smart, Stay consistent and never stop pushing forward.